Assalamu alaikum, dear students of Oral Aman High School. Welcome back to my online English class, English second paper, grammar. Dear students, I have prepared a lesson for you, taking the lesson from out of syllabus. We always busy practicing our syllabuses. So practicing only syllabuses makes us feel boring. So I have decided to choose a lesson from out of syllabus to make you feel fresh. Though it is not in the syllabuses, you will be benefited in different competitive tests like admission test in different universities and job test like as DCS, BSc exam, etc. Okay, my dear student, my today's topic is gender. What is our today's topic? Gender, mani lingo. Can we start our lesson? Okay. Dear students, there are four genders. There are four genders. First one is masculine gender. Mani pullingo. There's some example: a boy, a man, a cock. Next one, feminine gender. Strilingo. Example: a girl, a woman, a hen. And the next one, common gender. Uboylingo. That means এটা নারীও বোঝাতে পারে, এটা পুরুষও বোঝাতে পারে। A child, a person, an orphan, এতিম। orphan মানে কি? এতিম। Neuter gender, ক্লিপ লিঙ্গ। এটা নারীও না, পুরুষও না। Lifeless thing, a chair, a table, a pencil. Okay, dear students, we have come to know that there are four kinds of genders in English grammar. Or gender is divided into four. Now I would like to involve you in some practice activity. Okay. I have written some word here. The first one is bachelor, and the second one is board. Next one, bull oblique ox, dog, drink, drawn. Do you know the meaning of the word bachelor? Do you know the meaning of the word bachelor? অবিবাহিত পুরুষ। ব্যাচেলর meaning হচ্ছে অবিবাহিত পুরুষ. That means this is masculine gender. Can you say the opposite gender of bestseller? Can you say the opposite gender of bestseller? What may be its opposite gender? Maid. Maid. অবিবাহিত মেয়ে বা মহিলা, কুমারী মেয়ে. Next one, B-O-A-R, boar. Can you say the meaning of the word? Dear student, can you say the meaning of the word? শুকর, এক ধরনের বন্য প্রাণী. শুকর. And who can say its opposite gender? Okay, I would like to write the opposite gender of boar as O-W. Dear students, its pronunciation is shall, not so. When the word is used as noun, as the opposite gender of both, then it is pronounced shall. And when it is used as verb, then it is so. যখন এটা বীজ বপন করা অর্থ হবে তখন হবে কি সো. আর যখন এটা শুকরি মানে বোর শব্দের অপোজিট জেন্ডার হিসেবে, ফেমিনিন জেন্ডার হিসেবে ব্যবহৃত হবে তখন এটা হবে কি সাও. ওকে, নোট ইট ডাউন. নেক্সট ওয়ার্ড, bull oblique ox. Bull oblique ox. Can you say the Magna meaning? Who can say? Bull oblique ox. ষাঁড়. বুল মানে বলদ গরু. বুল অক্স মানে ষাঁড়, পুরুষ জাতীয় গরু. তো এটার স্ত্রী কি হবে আমরা জানি, কাউ. Its opposite gender is cow. Next word, dog. D-O-G, dog. Very common word. That means dog is a masculine gender. Can you make it feminine? Who can say? Can you guess the opposite gender? Bitch. B-I-T-C-H. Bitch. B-I-T-C-H. Bitch. What is the opposite gender of dog? Bitch. B-I-T-C-H. Bitch. Mani kukuri. স্ত্রী কুকুর. Bitch. D-R-A-K-E. Drake. Drake. পাতিহাঁস, পুরুষ পাতিহাঁস. Drake. D-R-A-K-E. Drake. পুরুষ পাতিহাঁস. Now can you write the opposite gender of this word? Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. That means স্ত্রী জাতীয় পাতিহাঁস। ড্রেক, ডাক, ড্রেক, ডাক। ড্রোন, DRONE, drone. Who can say its Bangla meaning? পুরুষ মৌমাছি, পুরুষ মৌমাছি, drone, পুরুষ মৌমাছি। And its opposite gender is bee, স্ত্রী মৌমাছি, bee, স্ত্রী মৌমাছি, bee, স্ত্রী মৌমাছি। What is this? Fox, fox, cactia, cactia. This is masculine gender. Now I would like to ask you to write the opposite gender. Who can say? Anybody? Okay. I would like to show you the opposite gender. Vixen, vixen, VIXEN. এটা vixen না, vixen, 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 স্ত্রী ক্যাকশিয়াল। Vixen, vixen, vixen. What is this? Gander, 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 gander. Rajhash. What gender? Masculine gender. Gander, Rajhash, masculine gender. Who can guess the opposite gender of the word gander? Who can? Goose, 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 goose. Rajhongshi, Rajhongshi, Rajhongshi. Gander, masculine gender, and goose, feminine gender. Fox, masculine gender, and vixen, feminine gender. Now I would like to give another example. Horse, 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 ঘোড়া, ঘোড়া কোন জাতীয়, কোন ধরনের লিঙ্গ? পুল্লিঙ্গ না স্ত্রীলিঙ্গ? Who can say? এটা পুল্লিঙ্গ মানে ম্যাসকিউলিন জেন্ডার। আমরা এটাকে কি করব? স্ত্রীলিঙ্গ মানে ফেমিনিন জেন্ডার করব। Who can say? Who can say? মেয়া, 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 MARE। এটা অনেকে মেরি বলে, কিন্তু এটা মেরি না, মে আ। আর এর উচ্চারণটা একটু সাইলেন্ট থাকবে। মে আ মানে স্ত্রী ঘোড়া, যেটাকে বলা হয় গুটকি। LAD, lad. Who can guess its Bangla meaning? Lad, বালক, lad, বালক। তার মানে এটা তো সবাই পারবে, এটা ম্যাসকুলিন জেন্ডার। Now who can guess its feminine gender, opposite gender? LASS, less, বালিকা। less. Another word, monk, 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 sannyasi, sannyasi. This is also masculine gender, and who can guess its feminine gender? Mother Teresa is a monk or nun? Nun. মঙ্কের অপোজিট জেন্ডার হচ্ছে নান, NUN, নান। মঙ্কের অপোজিট জেন্ডার কি? নান, NUN, নান, সন্ন্যাসিনী। Okay, dear student, there are 4 genders in English grammar: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, neuter gender. And I have shown you some masculine gender and its feminine gender. You will get this activity in different competitive exam in your life. Besides this, as an educated person, we must know them. So, my dear student, I would like to invite you to come out of these syllabuses and practice something more, something new that we do not find in our syllabus. So, my dear student, I hope you will practice them. You will practice the word for your betterment. You will get some other classes in future. Now today I would like to conclude this class, and I would like to thank you once again for joining the class. See you again later in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.